So, the Xgimi Titan Noir Max projector has just arrived literally an hour ago. I've set up the cameras, I'm ready to unbox it and show you guys what that looks like. And I'm not being sponsored, it's completely bought with my own money. There we go, look at that. Great protection. And there's the box. Smells beautiful. It's quite heavy. Oh my goodness. That's like a Louis Vuitton bag. This heavy. Some lovely catches. Like a false leather kind of, I assume. See? Yes. Oh. Wow. They've gone to town with this. It's got like suede interior there, sponging on the top as well. More foam on the inside, so it can't move. That's impressive. That out nice and straight. There we go. Feels very nice. I mean, it's not like, obviously, it would be crazy heavy if it was solid aluminium or something, but it's like extremely well designed in terms of what use of lightweight materials they've used and finishes of the edges and the corners, and the kind of patterns they've used in the grills all the way around. It looks extremely stylish and original. I'm hoping there's a power, no, it must be in this box. Accessory box on here. Okay, so instruction manual. Looks like the power cable for the power brick, some battery for the remote. The power brick, that is a big power brick. And then is this the remote? Yeah, that's the remote. So there we go. Power brick. That's it. So I'll try and get this connected up and projected onto a wall somewhere. I'm projecting onto a white wall, and this is only temporary. I have an XY screen coming, but it's not here because it's currently overseas. It's on its way here, but it's not here yet.
Very good, by the way, very good indeed. Now, your turn.
Well, if the enemy's retreating in any kind of order, which we'd better assume,
Certainly.
he can't be further than this mallard place. In which case I can have him within range by 0900 hours tomorrow.
Ready. Philip.
Well, these are the last infantry supports going up now, sir. But Mallard could have a Fusiliers there by Wednesday, sir?
That'll do for now. The guns are what matter. Any questions?
This Arab army on the right, sir. What's it consist of?
Irregular cavalry, sir. About 2,000.
Where are they now?
Can only know that by being with them, sir.
Then get with them, Harry. I want to know.
Yes, sir.
Pound them, Charlie. Pound them.
God help the men who lie under that.
They're Turks.
God help them.
Well, he's got the flip between his teeth all right.
Cocky.
More than cocky, sir. He's got the flip between his teeth. All right. I tell you, sir, I think he'll get to Damascus before we do. Unless...
Unless.
Well, there's a Turkish